Yo guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is RJ Kola. Yeah, I'm a Forex trader, of course. Yeah, so today I'm just going to be talking about vlog and how I moved and traveled, right? So here it is where I went to go and take my bus receipt and pay for bus that is taking me all the way to just before I forget, I am a Forex trader and also I'm currently doing my NYSC, almost done currently. Yeah, so technically that morning I got up early in the morning, as you first saw. Now I'm waiting for them to load it into the vehicle, meaning that we are waiting for them to actually put the bags into the vehicle itself, right? So technically everybody's just nauseous and they are waiting patiently, right? In my mind, oh my god, I'm very hungry because technically at this time it's still pretty much early in the morning. Yeah, you can see my face, I was not smiling. Definitely I was not smiling because man, hunger was in the air, right? So technically we stopped at somewhere to get food. You can see I just bought one of these that I can eat, and everybody was trying to get in the bus. They even used to block the way. All these drivers, they are really much not okay sometimes, okay, technically, but I just have to climb some bags, right, to get it, right? So we just continue being on the way. I was like, I've not even still gotten there. I'm even tired by the way. I was even looking at the driver self in the front, and I saw this mountain. I was like, let me just record it, based on logistics and enjoyment and sightseeing. Yeah, we got to a bridge and we saw the river. I think they were saying it was River Niger, something like that. I think so, but technically, yeah, we're just passing the bridge, and I was like, let us not fall inside it, though. But still, you see my Amy and my chin chin. Yeah. So this was later in the evening, technically later in the night. So I entered a cab which was taking me to an hotel, definitely, because I've come down from the bus. By this time I was already in Abuja, right? So this is the hotel, that is the receptionist, right? So I was just waiting patiently for them to see my money and also reflect to take me to the room. Of course, it was pretty much dark, so sorry you can't see me early. So guys, it's just me just fooling myself, trying to look at the hallway. The lights are bright though, it makes sense, the hallway makes sense, but me still feeling myself, just trying to look good at the same spotlight. You understand what I'm saying now? You get the vibes. So right, the session is already ready, like she was already coming, so I should wait for her. So I started escorting her down the hallway, right? That's her, so I don't want to let her feel uncomfortable, so I put my camera down to my feet, right? That's what it worked, right? So she was taking to me to the room to see the room, whether if I liked it or not. Definitely that is what they always do in Nigeria. Of course, I'm in Abuja. Take note, I'm still in Abuja. Definitely. So this is me just going back to go and take my bag. I was like, oh man, I forgot my bag. Hey, let me just quickly go and take it. So I was like, wait, which room was it again? Hey, I've forgotten it. But last I was like, oh definitely, that's the room, that's my room. So I just got to open the door. The kid never refused to enter, but last we still opened the door. So guys, that's just the bed, everywhere is still pretty much dark and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, let me just carry the key inside. You understand the vibes? You understand the vibes. So I was like, okay, let me just at least see my face. So I was trying to on all the lights that it would be bright, but last, oh, see me. I wanted to fall, guys. At that point, I wanted to fall. Definitely, I was trying to hold myself, but technically, I was trying to zoom my face, but I could not see myself properly in the mirror. But it was just really dark. That's just the truth. Definitely. So those of you that want to rent an hotel, just try to rent hotel. And most people living in Abuja, you know that renting an hotel in Abuja is pretty much expensive, ranging from like 50, 70, 80. Some, I think the lowest you can see is 20,000. So technically this is just a medium average room, stuff like that. I'm just trying to check it one, try to see in and out whether there's anything left here, so that they will not come and meet me and tell me, oh there was something in there and I took it. You understand now? So I'm just trying to play it safe. So that's just the thing. I was still also fooling myself, feeling myself inside the room. That was just it. So technically that was just it. I was trying to get comfortable as I was going. Tried to drop my bag. I mistakenly hit my camera. Alright guys, so this is another day. Normally I was in the other bus stop. I've already left the hotel and I've gotten to where a bus will take me down to Jos. Oh, if you don't know, you don't know, but technically I was going to Jos. That's where they posted me to. Of course, all the way from Benin to Jos, you know how tedious it becomes. And me, by the same time this morning, I was already tired. I was like, I'm gonna let them just quickly do it so that I can start going my way. This thing has been taking a long time already and I was already tired. Alright guys, so this is like me inside the bus, I was still checking my face, checking whether everything was still okay and stuff like that. Yeah, so the driver was already speeding up, he was overtaking so many vehicles. I was like, damn, okay, we're getting somewhere, right? So I was just like, damn, look at that church, look at all those things. Wow, okay, it's good. Yeah, so technically we got to where this is self and there was queue. Oh my god, I was like, oh man, this driver needs to quickly hurry up. We have never gone anywhere and see queue and he wants to buy food. I was like, God. But last it was getting to our turn slowly and steady, you understand? Even though car herself was trying to overtake car drivers and stuff like that. Alright guys, so technically I'm ready. I'm very close to my house this time around. Very close to the house I rented. Because you can see it's not really that much, but last you can still call it a house, right? It's painted and looks nice, at least to some extent, right? I'm not being judged also the matter. Yeah, you know how NYSC used to be. The NYSC, anytime they send you to a place like this, you understand, you got to expect some do and don'ts. Of course, I've been staying here for like the past 5-6 months, so I was already comfortable. So this is my door. Yeah, trying to open it and get inside. Of course, at this time I was very, very tired. I will not lie. I was very, very tired. Even me trying to open the doors, if the door was not even open, I was like, come on man, open up. So that's it. So I think this week where the vlog will be cut. Alright, see you in my next video.